In a little house, warm and bright, lived a puppy full of light, wagging tail and bouncing high, chasing butterflies in the sky. In the corner, soft and small, a kitten stretched, so sleek, so tall, purring sweet and playing too, with a ball so round and blue. Puppy barks, woof, woof, woof. Kitten meows, meow, meow, meow. Running, jumping all day long, best of friends, so big and strong. Puppy said, come race with me. Kitten smiled, let's climb a tree. Up she went, so high, so tall, while Puppy barked, I might just fall. Puppy dug into the sand, Kitten danced, oh wasn't it grand. Side by side they played all day, silly games in every way. Puppy barks, woof, woof, woof. Kitten meows, meow, meow, meow. Running, jumping all day long, best of friends, so big and strong. Rain came down, pitter pat, they ran inside, quick as a cat. Curled up close, warm and tight, dreaming sweetly through the night.